guys, Angela Smith here with Just Live. I'm going to show you today how to organize that big massive pile of paper clutter. Yes, the thing that comes in your house all the time, the thing that people are overwhelmed by because they get it all the time. You get mail almost every 2 days or every day. You're getting something in the mail. So I'm going to show you how to organize it, also how to put it in the categories it should go in a quick little way to be able to maintain it each month. Okay, you guys, so I have my papers that we're going to go through and declutter and organize and see what I need to keep and what I don't need to keep. One thing I want you to do is, if you have a watch or stopwatch or some type of timer, I want you to time yourself so you can see how long this process really takes, and maybe you can put it into your schedule each, like once a week or twice a week, or even once a month. You can do that as well. So I have my timer, and I'm going to, of course, time myself on how long it takes me to start and finish this process. Okay, you guys, so I have my timer. I'm going to set my timer. And I'm going to set it for 3 minutes, and I'm going to sit it in an area where I can see it, so I can keep track of my time and how much time I have spent on it. And to kind of, we want to make sure we're being mindful of our time too, because our time is very important. Okay, so like I said, we're starting from scratch. I'm starting from scratch with you guys. See if your provider, whatever you get bills for, see if they have some type of online paperless. Go paperless. It makes it a lot easier. They have archives for 7 years back that you can access if you need to. So I no longer need this anymore because we actually switched to online. Okay, so we just finished in under 5 minutes of sorting through my papers that just came in. And see, it didn't take that long. It only took 5 minutes to sort through the papers. How many can say they can actually put 5 minutes into their schedule to sort through the paper to keep down the clutter? So now what I'm going to show you is what you can do to maintain it. These little cute things, which are tabs. I got this from Dollar General, if you can see it. A regular binder, light color. I'm a very colorful person, so I love color. And you need pocket protectors, sheet protectors. Okay, you guys, so here we are getting ready to create our folder to house our documents. What you can do with this, you can either have a folder for home, you can have a folder for work, or if you have other stuff going on like different hobbies or different businesses, you can have a folder for each thing so you can kind of keep it in order. So what you would do is you will start by, I already made my tabs, so I wrote on my tabs. I had SunTrust, Shell, Uline, and Tax Stocks. You're gonna put your sleeves, your tabs in the thing. Probably should left it open. Then of course you're gonna make sure you can either use a label maker or you can use just regular pen and just write it by hand. If you don't have such a good handwriting like me, I would recommend using a label maker to make it look a little bit neater, but this is fine for right now. Okay, and what you're going to do with the pocket protectors, you're going to create pockets. So this is behind my SunTrust tab, and I'm basically making a pocket for my SunTrust information. Here go my SunTrust doc. I'm putting it in the behind the SunTrust tab, And I'm going to do this, since I'm doing it twice a week or once a month at the end of the month, or at the end of the month. That's when I'm filing all my paper away. You can also create a tab that says, since you're going to have these pocket protectors, you can also create a tab that says January 2019. That way you know this is documentation from January of 2019. So what I would do is I will go to the next tabs and do the same thing for every other tab that I have. My recommendation is, if you have something, like I have an extra tab here, and I'm probably going to use it once I get more paper in throughout the month or something like that. But never label anything miscellaneous, because if you label it miscellaneous, you're just going to put everything there and now it's all out of order again. So I'm going to finish my book, and that's all you have to do. I'll show you the finished product later. I hope you guys feel like a weight has just been lifted off of my shoulder. I don't have any paper clutter. I can do this. Now you feel empowered to do it. I hope you feel empowered to do it on your own. Take those 10 to 15 minutes a day. I timed everything. It took about, at the most, 15 minutes. And now you have a finished product of all the paper is in here. It's not all over the house. It's not in this room, that room, in this closet, in that closet. It's in one spot. And then now you can have people help you. So if you need someone to come over, if someone have to come over and find documents in a hurry, now you can tell them, hey, go in my room, look in my drawer, bottom left drawer, and get the purple folder, the colorful folder, and look in the tab that says tax documents. Grab that and bring it to me. Now people can really help you because you are organized. You have things in order, and you can send people to where it is without having them to get frustrated because they can't find it. So you guys, you just got rid of the paper clutter. I hope you keep up the good work.